Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity, and this time the price were very badly decreased now, minus 5.16%. They are lost, but definitely the volume, my friends, everything, market cap, circulating supply, everything is going very good now. So therefore, I really like Axie Infinity, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will give me a very good profit. So therefore, I expect very good, my friend. My expectation is absolutely very good from everyone. So therefore, my friend, I hope you in upcoming time, my friend, the price will pump up and they will give you a profit, because I am 100% sure, my friends, to no one want to tell something bad now. So therefore, please holder, if you want to get a profit in those days, so definitely we are ready now. And I hope, my friends, we will also, my friends, want to get a profit in those days. So therefore, please, if you want to get a profit now, do this what I taught you. I hope they will give you a profit, my brother. The price will be increasing after a short dump, definitely like that. Absolutely, they will take a very huge jump, absolutely like that. As you can see here, after this short fails, they will take a very huge jump. So therefore, I will notify you to after a short fails, definitely every time, my friends, they will take a very huge jump. So therefore, if you want to get a profit now, do this, otherwise we will lose now. So thanks for watching, holder. Kindly like video and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.